Puff and pita. It's the first two of the day. Puff, puff. Whoop, whoop. The world's creamiest, oil-free, tahini-free hummus is hanging out, blended and spread, while I bake my pita chips. All 8 pitas puffed to perfection. These are the world's best pita chips. If you know me, I had a problem with Stacy's pita chips. You know, the oil ones, the fried ones. I actually had a personal trainer tell me when I was a size 22, working out at the gym, trying to wear it off in the gym, said, maybe you ought to cut back on those Stacy's pita chips. Well, oh my gosh. I'm eating the chips now in a size 2, and I'm scooping them up. I'm scooping up the hummus on a protective diet.